Hello, in this video we will be focusing on Excel paste special options. Now we all must be using Excel in our day-to-day life and for sure we'll be using copy paste options. But today we will get to learn in detail about various different types of pasting. This video is not just made to show the paste special options but also to help you use these options wisely with the help of shortcuts so that you can derive at your results quickly and accurately. So in the regular copy paste, we select the data, use Ctrl C to copy, go to a new place and press Ctrl V to paste the data. This actually pastes the entire contents as is along with the formats and along with the formulas. Now if you notice closely, this data contains some columns which has formulas in the cells. So now in the new data, if I have to take out these formulas from here, you can see the formulas on the formula bar. If I have to take out these formulas from here and paste only the exact values, because I cannot keep sending the sheet along with the formulas to everybody. So I have to paste only the values. So in that case, the paste special option works because the regular copy paste will copy the entire formula and the format. So now I can use copy and paste special to paste only the values. So how do I do it? I first select the range which I have to copy and then I press Ctrl C, that's the regular copy, and then you can go to home tab under paste. You can see a small arrow. In that, when you click, you see the paste special option. Either you can click from here and then use this is the paste special tab, or you can also use a shortcut, that is Alt E S. So this is the paste special shortcut. This opens up the tab. So once you have the tab, you can see these are the list of functions that we can do using the paste special. So rather than directly copying and pasting it somewhere, like we can paste only the formulas, we can paste only the values, or only the formats of the cell, or only the comments, validations, like you have a lot of other options. So in this case, I have to take out these formulas. So what I'll do is I'll just click on values and I'll click OK on the same place. So basically what it has done is it has taken down the formulas, and you can see here on the formula bar we can see the values directly. The same thing we can do it for the next column also. We can select Ctrl C, Alt E S, and then I can directly press V wherever you see the underline in Excel. So that represents the shortcut for that particular function. So if I press F, it will automatically take me to the formulas shortcut. If I press V, it takes here. T goes to formats. Okay, so in this case I'll just press V and I'll say OK. These shortcuts are very important because when you actually habituate your hands and then try to do it on your regular basis, your work actually gets more faster. If I have to do the same copy paste quickly, I can select copy and paste. So you can see the formulas have gone. So there is no computer trick, there is no video editing, anything happened here. I'm going to do it again. Okay, so now you can see there is a formula. So all that we need to do is just go select copy paste values. It has immediately done it. So if you train your fingers in that way, your work will be done more faster. Now similarly, if I have to copy the entire data and paste only the values in a new sheet, so I can go to a new sheet and then I can press Alt ES, V for the values. So this will take out all the formats, all the fonts and everything else, and then it will paste as is. So you can see there is no coloring here, there is no font here, everything is gone back to defaults. Now say if you have a data and you have to just copy and paste the formulas, so that is also possible using paste special options. So for example, if I have in this sheet, if I have this one record in which I need to paste the formulas, so in the actual data we have the unit cost which has a VLOOKUP formula, and then the total which has a formula of unit cost multiplied by quantity. So these two formulas, if I have to copy, I don't have to copy the values and paste it. I can only copy the formulas. I can copy both the cells together. I can go to the next sheet, go to that area and paste special formulas. Okay, so it has pasted only the formulas. It will automatically consider the VLOOKUP formula also and any other formulas that it has. Okay, so this is paste special formulas. Now say another example, if I want to paste only the data in here in this format without considering these formats, like without considering these bold yellow color backgrounds with this font, what I can do is I can directly copy paste only the values again. So this table already had a different kind of format, so I've just pasted the same values. Now the date has changed, that date we have to change it out into its regular format. Your data is ready. Similarly, if I have to copy this only the format to a new range, say I have this data here but I have to paste that formula in this data, I need to paste this styling. If I have to do it, then I can copy it from here. So once I copy it, I can come here to the new range and use only the formats. T, enter. It has actually applied the formats. Now we can have a look at another example. Other ways of using paste special option. Say I have this total values here. For example, if I have to make this into a negative value, I can write equal to this value multiplied by -1, and I press enter. It comes in, and I copy and paste in all the records to get this value. But the same thing, you can use paste special as a shortcut to do it. So I can just write down here -1. This is my value. I will just copy that value and go to this section, select the entire range, paste special, and I'll say in the operation section I can multiply this. So the moment I click on multiply, or I can press M as a shortcut and press OK, it will automatically multiply all of these values by -1, and then you can see it is come in negative value. Now since this cell doesn't have any format, it has changed the existing format of this entire column. So what I can do is I can copy the previous column, which is already in numeric format with a proper formatted cell. I can copy and paste only the formats using paste special. Now to make these values back to positive, what we can do is I can copy this, select this range, and then multiply it again with -1. It has changed. Now I can copy this format again and I can paste only the format. Similarly, if I have to add $1 to this cost, what I can do is I can write 1 here, copy, select this range where I have to add, open paste special, click on add. So D is the shortcut for this, so I press D and press enter. It has automatically added up $1 to everything. I can copy this format and I can paste the format for this column. So you can see any additions or multiplications that we have done, you can see those values been there in that formula. Similarly, in this cell we have added 1, so that is also appearing here. Let us explore some more options. For example, if I copy this, go to a new area, open paste special, you can paste the comments that we have. Like for example, in this value I need to give to my customer, I need to show special discount given only to you. For example, if I'm writing a comment like this, when this I send this file to the customer, when he goes on this cell, he gets to see, okay, Rajesh here has put this one particular comment. So if we can copy only these comments also to a different area, like I can copy that, go to open paste special, C, enter. So now you see on this cell automatically this comment has come. I've taken the comments out now. Okay, some more options are like if the cell has a validation, so the cell validation can also be copied and pasted somewhere else. Okay, validation which includes like if I click on a data and I click on data validation, for example, if I create a list with the source as my product details, I say okay. So you see here there is a drop down which is appearing. This is coming from straight from that sheet. So this one I can copy and I can paste it here with the validation option. That list is appearing here also. So this is what the validation paste special does. Similarly, if I copy any data, I can use any of these options also, all using source theme. Like if I'm using a template, all except the borders, column widths also I can copy. These column widths also I can copy and I can paste. Formulas and number formats, values and number formats, all merging conditional formats, or addition, division, multiplication, subtraction. Similarly, I can skip blanks and then I can paste, or I can even transpose and paste. Like for example, if I have to paste these values in rows, then I can use the transport. I'm pressing E and OK. So whatever was there on the columns are now in rows. So it has been transposed. So these are the options that are available on paste special. I hope you enjoyed the video. Now keep practicing and try to practice using the shortcuts. The more you practice, the more accurate and more fast you will be able to do. Thank you for watching this video, guys.